You guys seem to enjoy these videos, so let's take another look at the lifted van market. Here's the nicest one for sale right now. 2009 ambulance chassis with a 2019 6.0 engine, only 4,000 miles on the engine. Really nice build, but here's my problem with it. It has the same bent beam style lift kit that my van has, so that's a $5,000 lift kit. Since it's a bigger build than my standard van, I will assume that he put in the custom rear springs instead of a lift block. So that's about $4,000. So $9,000 for the lift. When you're at over $100,000, you might as well go all out. So $9,000 lift. He should have just went with the 4x4 conversion. So taking a look at Timberland, $27,000 is the most expensive kit, $17,000 ish for most vans. So let's just go with 12-inch lift. So 12-inch lift, that's $27,000. So minus 8, what is that? Minus 8, that's 117. Add $27,000, 150. Yeah, I'm just off the top of my head. My math probably way off right now, but what's 150? Like when you're over $100,000, when you're at 125, what's 150? He should have went with the 12-inch 4x4 lift at this point for how expensive this van is. Let me know in the comments if you agree. If you got 125,000, I'm pretty sure you could afford 150,000, right? So let's take a look at the van itself. Very nice. I mean, I like everything he did with it, except he should have went all out, went with 42-inch tires. I mean, this is really cool. Yeah, it's definitely going to stand out among everything else. And really cool interior. Very high-tech looking. Diamond plate. I believe that's a shower. This looks like a shower in the back. Yeah, super cool. Yeah, 125,000. Yeah, that sounds expensive, right? But you got to look at it like this. Here's a sports mobile, 108,000. See, me and my friends, we say we're the budget sports mobilers because when you look at this sports mobile, my van looks very similar to this. 108. All I need is a rear locker and my van's going to be 15,000. 15,000 versus 108. If you're not well versed in vans, you're going to look at this van and my van and you're going to say, those two vans look pretty similar, but mine's not 108,000. So when you compare 108,000 to 125,000, yeah, this one's looking a lot better value. But like I said, should have went 150 and went a four-wheel drive 12-inch lift. I mean, you could subtract 10,000. That's 140 and still be 4x4. This one's 108, so this is four-wheel drive. And it has the diesel engine, so both of these have the diesel engine. But that's a lot of money, 108,000. So yeah, if you're not too versed, and you've heard me say we're the budget sports mobilers, this is why I say that. Because me and my friends, our vans are very similar looking to something like this for a lot less money. None of us are running a $20,000 build. I think me and Holdfast, our vans are way under 20. Same with Jason. Even when he gets his van lifted, I think, what's your van going to cost, Jason? The white van, about 15, 16,000 altogether. Okay, so if I had 100,000 subscribers and money wasn't an issue, I would get this 57,000, the Chinook. And this one's a four-wheel drive, very nice interior. Yeah, I always like Chinooks. It's my favorite RV, my favorite style of RV. That's really nice too. I mean, yeah, it's not as nice as this, but it is nicer than this. Yeah, that's good. That looks good. Yeah, it's not quite as nice as this van, but better looking than this one for sure. And it's half the price. So 108 for this, or I could go 57,000 for this. It has the V10, not the diesel, but you know me, I'm a fan of the V10. Yeah, V10. Okay, so more practical, more affordable. So what do I always say? If you're buying an older van for over 20 grand, it has to have four-wheel drive. Like if you're buying an older van. And this one's 28 grand, 1998. My main problem with this van, is it really stealth though? Every time I see a big van now, I assume someone's in it. I don't think big vans are stealth anymore. It is plain looking, but it has the big tires, lift, four-wheel drive. I just wish this van had the 454 big block. It's a 90 Chevy, so it has the 5.7 Vortec. I just wish it had the 7.4 454 big block, but very well done van. What would you offer for this one? 28 grand, 100, like low 100,000 miles on it. Very well done, four-wheel drive. What would you offer this guy? 108,000 miles. It's a little plain. It needs some cool bumper on it. An awning that he never uses, like me. I would put an awning on it. I used my awning one time. See, I could laugh at myself. I have some cool accessories on my van. Well, one accessory that I never use. Yeah, but yeah, man, hang some awnings off here. Cool bumper, a winch. Make it look a little cooler. Well, that's nice. Like, I'm the type of person who would notice this. Like, your average person's not gonna turn their head at this. I will, because I see the wheel gap, bigger tires. I'm just a van guy, so I see the coolness. This is not a lifted van. It's not even a big van, but I like things that are different. This is a 2012 kind of high miles 2.0 four-cylinder. Not familiar with that Ford engine, but look at this thing. This is a small van. Window AC. This is really cool. What I like about vans, one of the biggest reasons why I like vans versus like truck campers is you could jump into the back without getting out of the vehicle. This is a smaller van, so you're going to have to climb over the little shifter here and climb over the cup holder. See, my van is just a big gap in the center, so you could just walk, between the seats. But even a small van, you just jump over the little shifter. Storage space, small van. So this is window AC. See, window AC. That's cool. How's he powering that? It's just a bed. But it looks like a big bed, but that's it. It's a bed. So it's basically a bed on wheels. But what else do you need? Yeah, it's not like yeah, I'm used to my van, with all the space, but this is very nice. I'm pretty sure you get at least 20 miles per gallon. You have some storage pockets right here. So I like these. Is this a diesel heater tank? I think this is a diesel heater tank. He has it all figured out. Window AC. Diesel heater. This guy's set up for all the weather. And then since it's a small van, extra storage, making it work. So yeah, I do like this. What did I say? If my channel reaches 20,000 subscribers, I will do a lifted minivan build. Mark my word. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you're passing by. I will do a minivan build. Not this one. I'll do a lifted Dodge Caravan or lifted Honda Odyssey. And then I just pulled this up. I forgot about this. This is a straight up ambulance. I just wanted to price out ambulance. This is a 2012. It's not a van. It's the Super Duty front. I just wanted an idea how much an ambulance costs. 50 grand. This one's still an ambulance inside. So yeah, I can't really complain at the price of this expensive ambulance build because it's very similar in price to a sports mobile that looks like a regular van. But yeah, like I said, I would go with this Chinook if I had 60 grand. That's the bargain right there. And then here's your practical van, that Express 4x4. Maybe if you offered this guy 20 grand, you got yourself a four-wheel drive van. And then here's the oddball van. And then I wanted to share this. So what's the deal with this? It's not even lifted. Why are you looking at a not lifted van? Well, I like looking at all vans. But check out the inside. So it looks plain, right? Plain. Look at this interior. It's a little girly. The bright color scheme with the plants. I'm not crazy about that. But I can admire how nice the interior is. The hipsters will love this. This is like the type of interior you show off on Instagram. Get a bunch of hearts, likes. Instagram hipster approved interior, man. They'll definitely like this. It looks like it's never been used. Man, do people like 33 grand listed 3 weeks ago? Did this person ever go camping? Or did they romanticize the idea? See, I think a lot of people romanticize the idea. What? A not rusted 40 Econoline roof? Well, it is a 2012. Check your roof. If you have an older 40 Econoline, it probably has a lot of rust spots. That's why when you look at my roof, it's all blotchy. That's me patching up all the rust spots. Thankfully, my van roof is like more than 7 feet in the air, so no one's ever going to see it. Just helicopter drivers. But yeah, this looks like it's never been camped in. But, you know, like I said, I'm not crazy about the color scheme, but I can admire a nice interior. That's probably why this is 33 grand. They probably took this to somebody and paid 10 grand for that interior. What's your opinion on camper or stealth vans? Like I said, I don't think big vans are stealth. I don't care if it looks plain like this and blends in. Every time I see a big van now, I assume someone's hanging out in there. So, yeah, if you want to go stealth, a plain minivan, because when I see a big van now, it's not stealth to me. That's another topic for another day. All right, everyone. So this is the nicest one for sale. This is what me and my friends are, but we're the poverty sports mobilers. This is what I would roll in if I had the money. This is a potential good buy. I like oddball stuff. And here's your romanticized, never camped in before van. They like took a bunch of pictures on Instagram, got all the likes they needed. Now they're selling it. All right, everyone. Have a good one.